guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you guys with a lash cart kind of like tour today. I'm just showing you what's on my lash cart. I move things around all the time, so you'll probably see something new here and there in other videos, but this is how it looks now and kind of how it has been looking for a little while, plus a few more items added. So let's start with the actual lash cart. This I actually got from Walmart, and this was on sale, like with all the college stuff. I do really like this cart. The only thing I wish that it had was most carts kind of are the opposite way, where the indent of the tray is at the top, so you kind of sit the items in. Instead, this is just resting on top, which I haven't had a problem with so far. Like, nothing's fallen over or anything like that, so I guess it's fine. But I do like how wide it is in comparison to other carts. So let's start with the top shelf. Pull my chair up. You're gonna see me in my mirror, and I'm gonna flip that around in a minute. So here's my handheld mirror that I just give to all my clients at the end of their service. I got this mirror from Target for $5, but it's nice and big, and I have mirrors all over the place. This is just one of my face masks. Even before COVID, I was wearing face masks while lashing. This is my Therm Pro. And this just lets me know, you know, the temperature, the humidity, and all of that in my room, so that I can regulate it in order for my glue to work properly. This little container I got from Marshall's, and I just keep some extra tweezers in here. I keep a dental mirror in here. These are like my little to-go lash brushes and spoolies. So I give that to each client. I also put some in their aftercare kits, but if they already, you know, recently had one and maybe they need a new spoolie or a new brush, I hand that out. This little lash leaf I got from, can't remember the Instagram name, but it's a different lash brand. You can get these anywhere. I honestly, this was overpriced, and I realized that after I purchased it, but I really like it. It's really cute. So I just put, I use this as a lash palette sometimes if I need an extra tray to lay out for my lashes. I use the Lion Lash Glue, and I purchased this right off of Amazon. I really love this glue. I've used other glues as well, but so far this has been my favorite, but I do want to try some other stuff. I have this little container of rice. I usually keep my glues in it. I don't know why I took them out, but I'll be putting those back in. This is my Stacy Lash Primer. Really love this primer. Really inexpensive. Get this off of Amazon as well. And then here's my NextCare tape. This is the only tape I use. Love this tape. It's super gentle on your eyes. Peels off nice and easy, but it still sticks really well. So I always get the blue NextCare tape. Then we have some micellar water, the Garnier one, of course the one with the pink top, because it is oil free. And then I have my Lion Lash gel remover. I love this remover. It doesn't take really long to actually get the lashes off. Back here I have my Glue Aid from Lashbox LA. Here I have my Fabu adhesive activator. This works really well. So I kind of use it interchangeably with my Nano Mister. So I use one or the other, and I'll show you guys my Nano Mister after. This is another glue I was trying out for a client who has super sensitive eyes. So this is sensitive, but yet extra strong. I like it, but I'm not gonna write home about it. This I actually purchased because of a YouTuber that I watch who also lashes, and I really like how her sets come out. This is the Ruthie Bell Strong Eyelash Extension Glue. Is this the Ruthie Bell? Which one is this one? Yeah, Ruthie Bell. I don't know. I think. No, Florabella. Florabella. I don't know. But anyway, so I was trying this out. I don't know how I feel about this one yet. So I gotta keep playing around with it, because sometimes the glues like you know, what am I trying to say? Sometimes it's not the glue, sometimes it's you and how you use it. You have to play around. Each glue can be temperamental and require certain things, so make sure you read the packaging so that you know that your room temperature is set at the correct spot, or your humidity, or maybe you need a dehumidifier. So yeah, always check the back of your package, because it always tells you like where you should have your temperature and humidity. So yeah, moving right along. I have some lotion, because even before COVID, when you are in a service like this, you have to wash your hands constantly or use hand sanitizer, and so that it can be very drying on your skin. So I always keep lotion and hand sanitizer on hand. This is something new to my lash cart that I'll be introducing once I, start taking clients again. This is just a face shield, and so it's already dusty because it's been sitting here, and it collects a lot of dust over here. That's why I usually have my brushes covered up, so I have to put those away. But yeah, my cart is by the window, so it collects a lot of dust. So I'll be spraying this off. Let me put that to the side. In this little basket, this is also something new. I got these punch cards from Amazon because I would like to offer some more kind of incentives for my clients. So I will be using those when I return to lashing. And then this little hole punch is actually a heart-shaped hole punch, and that's gonna be really cute to use. So yes, so we'll put that right back over here. So that's all I have on the top shelf, and these little black spots are just glue that's stuck on that I need to get off with some acetone. Down here on the second shelf, I have a lot of my kind of like sterilization things, cleaning things, but also some other random stuff. So, and it'll probably get moved around just because I don't know, I might want my cleaning stuff on a different shelf. So anyway, I've got some hydrogel patches back there, so I use that in combination with my Next Care tape. I've got some lip masks, which I won't be using anytime soon, so I'm considering putting those in my aftercare kits, just because I'm requiring my clients to wear masks. This glass bottle I will be using for alcohol. So once my tweezers have soaked in the barbicide, I'll be kind of spraying them down with alcohol and then drying them off. So I just wanted it to be in a cuter container. This is my barbicide tray. So you just fill this up with your barbicide. Obviously look on the directions, because you do have to mix it with water. This needs to be cleaned out. I haven't cleaned this out since I've lashed last. So this barbicide is not usable. So I will be dumping this and refilling it with water and barbicide. And so what you do is you put your tweezers here, and then once you lower it, it submerges into the liquid. Then we have a little backup container of barbicide, which I have to get a little bit more of. Home and Planet multi-purpose spray. This I specifically use like after I disinfect, because it smells so pretty and feminine, and I like my room to smell that way. So I use that after I've already done like the hard disinfecting. Back here we've got some Clorox wipes, which are really hard to come by, so I've been just racking up where I can, whether it be the Clorox wipes, the aerosol spray, or a regular spray. And yeah, I've just been kind of collecting them as I go, because most stores have limits on them, guys. So make sure you are racking up before you open your doors, so that you do not run low or run out. These little containers are they're so cute. So cute. I love these. I got these from Amazon, these little acrylic lash tray holders, and it comes with the lash tray. Now the lash trays that it comes with kind of suck, because they're very lightweight, which means once I lay them down onto my tray to actually lash, they will move all around. So sometimes what I do is stick a piece of double-sided tape and just lay them on there. But yeah, that can be annoying, but other than that, they look really cute, and I plan to get a couple more of those, because I want to have like each curl in one, and maybe fan lashes in another, like, you know, volume lashes in one, classic lashes in another. So yeah, I plan on getting a few more of those. Then on my bottom tray, I have some extra face masks. So just in case a client has forgotten their mask, or maybe left it in the car and they don't want to go back out, I am retailing these. Super inexpensive, but you know, it does cost me to get them, and right now everything is super expensive. So if they've forgotten theirs, they will have to purchase one, and we'll have to wear one during their service. And then in this tray, I just have some backup lashes. I mainly use Baba Lash right now, but I do plan on trying other brands. But the Baba Lash I really love, and they're really soft. They're really inexpensive on Amazon. Don't think that just because a product is expensive that it's quality. Sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes you will find quality in inexpensive items, but definitely have to keep trying out different things. And then in this little container, I have my my dental bibs back here, and that I use under my clients' heads. And then these are new also to my lash cart. These are just headbands, and most estheticians use these. I am actually in school for aesthetics, so I will be using these for facials as well, but I'm going to start using them for lashing, just so that I can avoid touching my client's head. And I plan on giving them to each client for free, and then just having them wash and bring it back whenever they come back to their appointment. And I'm just going to pan over here because this kind of goes with the whole thing too. Here is my humidifier. So I keep that really close to my lash bed. And then we've got some extra headbands. And then those tall things are actually disposable sheets. So once my lash bed cover comes in, I'm going to put the lash bed cover on. I'm going to lay a sheet down, a disposable sheet, my disposable dental bibs, and then each client will have their own blanket for the day, and I will just do laundry every week. So I have a basket down there with extra blankets. I do have to order some more, but if I have to do laundry daily for now until I get more, I will do so. And that is pretty much the end of my lash cart tour. You know, if I need to do an updated video after I get my cart a little bit more organized, and you know, some more items that I mentioned while I was showing you guys everything, I will do an updated tour. But for right now, we are going to dust down this bad boy because it's pretty dusty. We're going to change out that barbicide, and I think I'm going to refill some of my trays just to have them ready because I will be lashing very soon, and I can't wait. And good luck to everybody else who is currently lashing or will soon be lashing. Can't wait, you guys. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe, and come back to see more videos like this. Bye.